Sup everyone, this is Elijah from Financial Anatomy. This is the place where you'll learn how to take control of your financial destiny. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Cash App and the Roundup feature because a few things have changed since the Roundup feature was introduced. For those of y'all that don't know what the Roundup feature is, it basically is a feature that allows you to round up to the nearest dollar and invest the difference of what you spent into an action. So for example, if you bought a piece of candy for 50 cents with $1, you would end up paying a full dollar, and the Roundup feature would round 50 cents up to a course of action that you choose. So we're gonna start out by opening the Cash App up. And we're gonna click our Cash App card icon at the bottom of the screen. Keep in mind that in order to use the Roundup feature, you do need a Cash App debit card. If you don't have one of those, you'll want to check this video out to find out how to get one. You want to scroll down to see where it says Roundups and click on it. From here, you're going to see a few different things. You have the option to just turn Roundups off by clicking the button in the top of the screen. And you can turn it back on by clicking it again. You can see your Roundup transactions just by scrolling down. We're going to click on Change Destination, and you have three options as far as roundups go. You can round the money up to buy a particular stock, Bitcoin, or savings. We're going to briefly cover each one. Let's start with the stock. I'm going to select the stock. I'm going to select AT&T just for the heck of it. Then Cash App is asking me to confirm that I want to invest all my roundups into AT&T stock. I'm going to confirm, and boom, it's done. Now let's say if I wanted the roundups to go to savings. I'll click on savings, click turn on roundups, and boom, savings is now set as a roundup destination. Click done. And finally, we're going to cover the Bitcoin route, which is the one I'm actually going to keep on. Just click on Bitcoin and just confirm, and boom, roundups now go to Bitcoin. That in a nutshell covers the different destinations that you can assign for your roundups to actually go to. Which one you choose is entirely up to you. It really just depends on your overall financial goals. But with that being said, that concludes the video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If you found value in the video, a like is greatly appreciated, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.